Thank you, Madam. Madam, the capital expenditure in the railway budget has seen no increase in allocation compared to the B and RE of 24-25. The capital of railways is pegged at 2,65,200 crores. Madam, the effective budgetary support for government for 25-26 is budgeted to be at 2,50,000 crores. There is no increase compared to B and RE of 24-25. Madam, on railway safety, recently the Commission of Railway Safety has said in 22-23 annual report has stated that the rising graph of passengers carrying trains derailment is a cause of concern. CAG in its reports on derailment found significant shortfall in the track inspection, with even for the group A and B, broad gauge routes had a shortfall in inspection varying between 30 to 50% different zones. Now, installation of Kavach. In 2024, trackside equipment for Kavach has been installed only along 3,334 kilometers of route length of the total route length of 69,181 kilometers. This shows the efficiency of the installation. The Kavach were installed in only 533 of the over 7,325 stations. Only 707 locomotives have been installed with Kavach, despite the railways operating over 13,000 passengers and 8,000 freight trains every day, Madam. Madam, staff shortage. In an RTI reply in March 2024, it stated that 1.5 lakh posts were vacant in safety category Indian Railways. As of August 2023, over 53,000 vacancies in just operational safety, Madam Division. I demand that the Minister inform the House how many of these critical vacancies have been filled so far. Can the Minister also clarify, Madam, the sanctioned strength versus actual strength of RPF personnel? Now, coming to land utilization, Madam, railways are 62,000 odd hectares of vacant railway land. Only 1,216 hectares of vacant land have been handed to RLDA for commercial development. And one of the potential utilization of vacant railways land, Madam, has been purported to be the installation of solar and wind power. Railway target of setting up solar and wind power capacity of 30 gigawatt by 2030. Now, the CAG report of 2024 says that the railway is unable to achieve its planned renewable capacity as per economic survey, Madam, of 24-25. Railways have commissioned only 375 megawatt of solar power and 103 of wind power as of October 2024. The Public Accounts Committee's 113 report found that 49 commercial sites entrusted RLDA between 2007 and 17. None of the 49 properties entrusted with RLDA have been fully developed, Madam. This shows how RLDA works. Now, coming to this famous NHSRC bullet train, it failed to utilize the allocated funds. In 22-23, 19,000 crores allocated, only 12,000 crores utilized. In 24-25, Madam, 21,000 allocated. It was reduced to 19,000 crores at the RE round. 23-24, Madam, NHRC used only 18,025 crores out of 19,592 crores. Now, this was set to begin in 2026. It has been pushed to 2030. Much like most of the promise of the government, Madam, which only sees endless delays, Madam. Madam, BJP cannot blame for this bullet train project. You are in power in Gujarat since the inception of the project. You have been governing Maharashtra since 2022. Now, this shows the efficiency of the so-called double engine ki sarkar. Now, the slow production rolling stock, Madam. I just want to, because time is very short, I want to give figures, Madam. In 21-22, only 6,919 coaches were produced out of a target of 8,230. In 22-23, 5,869 coaches were produced out of a target of 5,774. In 22-23, Madam, 6,470 coaches were produced out of a target of 6,630 coaches. Now, this government can continue making new names, Amrit Bharat, Namo Bharat, but none of these matters because they don't want to meet the target of coach production, Madam. Now, the freight business is the biggest cash cow of this government. I want to know that nearly, Madam, 50% of our freight revenue comes from the revenue comes from the freight revenue. Now, for transport, only for transporting coal. However, as we move towards meeting our climate targets, the share of coal in power generation, reducing the need for coal transportation, what impact this will have by 2030? This you have to answer because your 50% revenue comes from freight only. Madam, now coming to low appropriation to depreciation reserve fund DRF. In 27-18 till 24-25, the ministry had budgeted 11,600 crore appropriation to DRF. Only 4,740 crores were appropriated to DRF. This has led to significant backlog in renewal of aging assets, 23,760 crore backlog in rolling stock, 3,542 crore backlog in track renewal, 1,465 crore backlog in signal and telecommunication, then 3,542 crore backlog in bridge and tunnel works. Madam, coming to customer and amenities, the less I say it is better, Madam. The bridge works. estimated for 24-25, now it has come to 2,025 crores. For financial 25-26, it is now 1,590 crores for bridge works. Now, doubling of tracks, madam, a critical initiative decongestions the railways saw very poor progress in 24-25 with only 1134 kilometers of line doubling completed by December against target of 2,900 kilometers. Signaling failures have been blamed for recent train accidents. Out of the 400 stations, madam, where modern signaling work has to be completed in 24-25, only 255 have been upgraded by December. And most disappointingly, the ministry aimed to remove 1,100 man level crossing in 24-25. But by December, madam, only 389 have been eliminated. Madam, Telangana government has asked for so many projects, but unfortunately, the stepmotherly treatment towards Telangana, that 11 track lines have not been taken up. In conclusion, madam, I would say that you can't put all the reels about a handful of sleek new trains, claim a masterclass in management even when people were crushed to death at the heart of the capital. You can showcase wide, comfortable seating and unaffordable express trains while most of India is crammed inside or hanging at the doors of aging coaches. You can cook up the khayali palau about bullet trains, miss your own deadlines and then fail to meet even those revised deadlines. You neglect upgrading critical safety infrastructure, tracks, rolling stocks, but take pride in repainting Vande Bharat trains and renaming stations. This isn't transformation, it's distraction, which the government has an expertise in this, and the people of this country are paying a price for this, madam. Thank you.